Well, I'd like to welcome back Josh Mundell, and he is the owner of NeighbiorING, because that's how it is.
Yeah.
I'd like to welcome you back, sir.
Thank you very much.
And I understand you've had some great success. I think you were on, was it about a couple months ago?
Yes, so we actually came in at the end of April now when we first started doing our commercials, and we've really seen a positive kind of result from the community, from doing the commercials, word of mouth. We do some speaking programs now, and not only that, NeighbiorING is kind of a relationship building service, but the community itself has really supported us in helping these college students who need some extra money for book expenses and college related expenses. So just as a whole, everything has been a great experience.
So for people who maybe don't know, give us an overview of what kind of services you folks do and how it works.
Got it. So a little description about what NeighbiorING is. We provide local background check college students who need help with kind of college related expenses. And then we connect them to homeowners who need help with chores and to-do lists. This can be anything from moving, cleaning, organizing, yard work, IT help, anything around the house that's chore related that doesn't require a contractor's license, like plumbing or electricity, let's see. Yeah, those are kind of the big ones that we're dealing with right now.
Okay, and so the way it works is people call you. Do you guys have an app yet?
So we don't have an app,
Okay.
and for Laguna Woods specifically, we have a phone number.
Okay.
And then we have our website as well, which is just startneighboring.com.
Okay, and then they call up, and it's almost kind of Uberish.
Correct.
In that they'll say, this is the job I have. Do you folks then sort of estimate, this is how many people we're going to need for you, this is how much time it's going to take? How do you go about that? So they kind of know in advance what they're going to pay.
No, absolutely. So everything right now is a flat $20 an hour.
Okay.
The first hour is $25 because the student's time if it's under an hour. But if you go over that second hour, everything's $20 an hour. So say for 2 hours of work, it's $40.
Okay.
And so basically the homeowner calls us and we have that conversation with them, what they need help with, when they need it, where they need it. And the great thing about NeighbiorING is we fit your schedule. So if you're only available from say 11 to 1 on Tuesdays, we can find a student that can fit your schedule. And then we kind of go through, give an estimate how many students, but everything is very relational and can change. Some people say, can I keep the student, I plan for 2 hours, can I keep them from 3 or 4? And you're more than welcome to if the student has availability. It's very non-professional relationships.
Okay, if they need 2 students, then is it $40 an hour?
Correct, so it's $20 per hour per student.
Okay, very good. And we've seen, like in your ad and some of the slides, that you can help with all kinds of different things.
Correct.
You can help, I guess, organize or declutter, depending how you want to see that. Or if they just need help, maybe they're planning on moving. You can help pack things up.
No, absolutely. We see a lot of things with storage units. There's a lot around here. And it can be a real hassle dealing with heavy items or even unpacking. People moving in or out of the community needing help packing, unpacking, moving furniture around and kind of doing the things around your house that you might not be able to do by yourself.
Yeah.
And you just need a college student or someone who can lift, the armoire or the dresser and move it around and kind of redecorate or whatever you really need, we can provide those services.
Okay, do you do any sort of services where you take people somewhere? Or are you, is that something that you can do because it is driving somebody?
So we don't do driving because that's kind of a little bit different industry, but the student can do kind of errands for you.
Okay.
So if you needed, can you go pick up something from the store for me? They're more than welcome to.
Okay, so a lot of good services.
Yes.
And I know you get folks, you get the students from local areas like Saddleback and Fullerton and all that, right?
Correct.
Just to kind of, do you keep, I'm curious, and I don't know if I asked you this last time, do you have like a database of dozens and dozens of students that you can call upon at any time? And their
Yes.
hours that they can work and that sort of thing?
Yes, and so right now we're honing in on that and kind of making that a little bit more streamlined. But we have students, and in that initial interview that we have is what skills do they have?
Okay.
So if someone is very good with IT or can set up a computer.
There's a good one. Yeah.
It's some of the students, you know, for myself, a little bit stronger, and you know, I only want to do the physical things, whether it's gardening or moving things. So we're tailoring the students and their wants and needs and their strengths to the homeowner's needs as well. So it's a win-win on that way.
Very good. If more information at startneighboring.com.
Correct.
All right. And I know that a lot of folks have already used your service and are happy with it. The number's on the screen, 949-322-4923.
Yes.
Josh, always good to see you.
No, absolutely. Thank you so much. This has been awesome.
All right. We'll see you again, and we'll be right back.
All right.